and the queens. And I can see a lot of superheroes sitting there. I am Sonal Saluja. I am a motivational speaker and happiness consultant. It's been more than a decade I am in this profession, and I have trained people from all walks of life. Another thing today is, what is that people say you can't do it, or no you can't do it, or sometimes we also think the same way. He said it, and can I actually do it or not? Will I be able to do it? In the pageant also you are going to have some feelings that यार मैं गिर तो नहीं जाऊंगी, मेरी heels में am I comfortable, right? And I'm going to tell you one more thing. In Kavita's show Red Carpet, I was also a participant. I participated in the ramp walk, and I was wearing very long heels. And I've already told you I'm a public speaker. I don't have the fear of speaking in front of people. I don't have the fear of going on the stage and all. I've spoken in front of thousands of people, right? So I never feared of going on the stage, but I really feared that I'll fall down. But then you know what? Something happened in my mind when the anchor on the stage was just telling the titles. There is Miss Diva, there is Miss Confidence, there is Miss Beautiful Eyes and all. When she said all this, I'm telling you the truth, I was thinking, Miss Confident, this is mine. This is only mine. And when I went there, I walked the ramp with alarm. And when I came back, I thought, thank God, my heels nahi tooti. And when they were saying, and the Miss Confident title goes to, I was about to rise. It should be contestant number 34. And she said, contestant number 34.
Wow, yes.
Because I already saw myself as Miss Confident. See, whatever my mind conceived, it happened.
No, but you said you were walking and you stumbled.
No, I was thinking, I feared that I'll fall down.
Yeah, that's what. You know, there are two set of people. One is that they say, can I?
Can I?
One is that we can.
We can.
So one should really follow we can. We can do it.
I'm telling you the power of words today.
Yes, yes.
There are 2-3 days left, only 2 days left. Start doing it from today onward. I am doing. I will. And now, how to give power to words is again our responsibility. We have to learn this, how to give power to the words. If someone says, no, you can't do it, what we hear? No. दुनिया में किसी ने ये वर्ड बनाया था no, और हमने उसको एक मीनिंग दिया, इसका मतलब है नहीं, अब तो होगा ही नहीं no. आज हम उसको एक नया मीनिंग देते. No means next opportunity. सेल्स की ट्रेनिंग होती है ना, जैसे सेल्स में, और आपको पता है सेल्स ट्रेनिंग ना बड़ी, मतलब सेल्स करना बड़ा डिफिकल्ट काम है. ठीक है, आपने खुद ही देखा होगा, एक दरवाजे पे जाते हैं, दरवाजा बंद कर दिया जाता है, दूसरे पे ढीठ बना देते हैं उनको, राइट? मैं तो बहुत बड़ी वाली ढीठ, बहुत ज्यादा हूँ मैं, राइट? बिकॉज ओनली दैट पर्सन इज सक्सेसफुल. क्योंकि जब उन्हें कहा जाता है ना नो हमें नहीं चाहिए, तो वो क्या सोचते हैं, नेक्स्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी 3 months आफ्टर दिस आई एम कमिंग बैक, एंड वो फिर आते हैं, और एक टाइम आता है वो सामान बेच कर जाते ही जाते हैं, राइट? उनको ये कहते हैं 100 में से 1 मानेगा, पर 100 के 100 मनवाने टाइम लगेगा. नो कहेंगे, नो को यस में कन्वर्ट कर. ओके, इफ समवन सेज स्टूपिड टू यू, I say I am stupid. Stupid, you think you can win the pageant? Yes, I am stupid. Smart, talented, unique person, intelligent, and I can win the pageant. I have given power to the word stupid. I am. एक दिन मुझे किसी ने कहा तू पागल है, तुझसे नहीं होगा. आई सेड हाँ मैं पागल हूँ. पंजाबी आती है आप सबको?
पंजाबी है.
जेड़ा गल नूं पा जावे पागल है, मैं तो पा लेता गल्लू।
गल्लू पाजा के
Right? Give power to words. A few days back, my doctor came to me and said, "Mama, क्लास में मायरा ने मुझे बोला, सब बच्चों को बोला, वो देखो देखो लिखा है, Samaira is mad." I said, "Oh, what is the meaning of mad?" मम्मा इसमें तो पागल होता है। अब I can't tell her पागल ये जेड़ा गल्लू पा जावे। I said, नहीं, mad का मतलब होता है रॉक स्टार। अभी तो बच्चा सीख रहा है ना वर्ड वोकैबुलरी, तो अच्छे वाले सीखा। मैंने कहा मैड का मतलब रॉक स्टार। गो बैक टू मायरा, सी आई कैन चेंज द वर्ड, आई कैन चेंज माई सेल्फ, आई कैन चेंज माई डॉटर्स थिंकिंग ओनली। आई सेड गो बैक टू मायरा एंड से वहां लिखा है समायरा इज अ रॉक स्टार। शी वेंट बैक नेक्स्ट डे एंड सेड एवरीवन लिसन टू मी, वहां लिखा है समायरा इज अ रॉक स्टार एंड मेरी मम्मी ने बोला है मैं एक्स्ट्रा रॉक स्टार हूं, तो मैं हूं। मम्मा मैंने हस्बैंड को बोल दिया, यस बेबी यू आर अ रॉक स्टार। आई डोंट नो हु मायरा इज, आई डोंट नो हु द अदर गर्ल्स आर, बट आई नो दैट यू आर अ रॉक स्टार। Another thing which is going to be very important for all of you, हम क्या सिखाते हैं बच्चों को? बेटा जो जल्दी दूध पिलेगा वो फर्स्ट आएगा। अब ये गलत है। अब आप लोग इसको अपने पैटर्न में फिट करना है, मैं नहीं बताऊंगी, खुद फिट करना है आपने। जो जल्दी कर लेगा वो फर्स्ट आएगा, जो पहले कर लेगा ना देखो वो फर्स्ट आएगा। आए से जो खत्म कर लेगा वो फर्स्ट आएगा। ये चारों भी हो सकते हैं, ये पांचों भी हो सकते हैं, ये कितने भी हो सकते हैं। इट इज बेसिकली अबाउट टू रीच द डेस्टिनेशन, इट्स नॉट जो जल्दी चला जाएगा। There are people who can do, who can win, who can get the success in 20 years, who can get, there are some who can get the success at 40 years.
One who knows to stand up even after the failure.
Yes, यूं की तय हमने मंजिलें, गिर पड़े गिरकर उठे उठकर चले। It's not about falling and saying, oh, अब मुझे करना ही नहीं चाहिए अब। It's about winning together. If you can complete it, if you can reach the destination even after falling down, you are already a winner. Right? So it's about winning, and you are going to be the winner, I'm telling you, all of you.
Actually, that's make a woman of substance.
Exactly.
It's not the one who reaches the goal in the first go, but one who strives for a goal and reaches it maybe after many goals.
Until and unless you get the failure, and you know there are these things that have happened in your life which have probably degraded you or which have probably given you the stress of your life, is actually the positive thing, because that is what made you come here. That is what made you think that I am also going to show that. Yes, and that's why you are here. Otherwise कोई insult करता ही नहीं तो कमाते भी क्यों? हम तो perfect है ना already. It is very important. So say thank you to all the people who have said anything wrong to you. And with this note that ladies, we're going to meet day after tomorrow, and I want you all to smile and say I am the winner. And when you go on the stage, you are already a winner. Raise your chin and go. Right? If you like our concepts, if you like our videos, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and do comment in the comment boxes what else do you want to know, what else do you want to share with people. Thank you.